Summer is here, and it's time to get your home's exterior in tip-top shape, whether you're planning on selling in the fall or if you just want to enjoy your outdoor space. So here's some tips to maintain your home's exterior during these sunny months. So first up, we've got lawn care. So keep your grass healthy and green by mowing it and watering it. Next, give your driveway and your walkways a good pressure wash. See, removing the dirt and the grimes and the stains will instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Clear out those gutters. Summer storms, they can bring heavy rains, so make sure your downspouts are clear and free of debris. This prevents water damage and keeps your home looking neat. Then you should probably just do a walk-around inspection. Just touch up like any peeling or chip paint. Fix smaller damages like, loose shingles, broken fence panels. See, a well-maintained exterior, it just indicates it's a well-maintained home. Then you can even add some color with some really nice summer flowers, and think about even updating some of your outdoor furniture. Lastly, start prepping for your fall sale by organizing your garage and staging outdoor spaces. Declutter, and just remember to put your tools and stuff and just store them neatly away. Taking these steps during the summer not only boosts your home's curb appeal, but it's also going to set you up for a successful sale come fall time. Need more tips, or are you ready to sell now? Contact me anytime and let's get your home market ready. I'm Jay Cannone. Call me or text me at 203-209-2529 or email me at jay@jaycannone.com. Hey, listen, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.